Bath & Body Works has some of the best fragrance candles. I like that their wicks don't produce a lot of soot, they burn clean. But recently, I have had several Bath & Body Works 3-wick candles with wicks that aren't burning well. In this video, I will show you how I replaced these poor performing wicks. To remove the wax from the candle, I used the freezer method. After 2 hours in the freezer, the adhesive under the wick base can be separated. I pounded the jar on my palm to shake it out. The wax will likely be cracked at this point. If you put the jar in the freezer overnight, the wax falls out without a problem. This red candle fell out of the jar on its own, so I'm going to use this one for demonstration. I used a flathead screwdriver to carefully lift out the base of the wick. You can use a knife if you want to. Then I used some pliers to pull out the wick. I bought 2 types of Eric X wicks on Amazon, the Eco Wicks and the 100% cotton wick. I used these Eco Wicks on this red candle and they burn hot and release a lot of soot, so I recommend you to buy the cotton wicks instead. I'll have links in the video description. I threaded the Eco Wicks through the hole. You'll still need to use some adhesive to keep the wax held in the jar, or else you're going to get a loose candle. I tried using hot wax at the bottom of this red candle and it holds for a couple of days, but the wax gets loose again. Use whatever adhesive you have. If you have hot glue, use that. I have E6000, so I use that on this white candle. Here is a candle I put in the freezer for 2 hours. It cracked and fell apart when I was changing the wicks, but don't worry, just light the candle and it will work just fine. So if you need to change the wicks on your candles, try this method. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Check the video description for links and additional information.